That means I can rewrite this thing to be 64 r to the power of minus 6 to the power of 1 over 2 all raised to the power of 1 over 3. Now you can notice that my cube root of this value has changed to all raised to the power of 1 over 3. That means I changed back from the root value back to the fractional index. This is a law of indices. So I'm going to work the inside here. Now since you know that this is also equal to this, that means I can say for this value inside, remember the inside bracket first. So this means square root of 64 because the fractional index is saying that the denominator of the fraction becomes the root value. So this becomes, since our denominator is 2, we have square root. If it is 3, cube root. If it is 4, fourth root. So this is going to be the square root of 64, which is going to give us 8. Now coming here, r is not a number. We just write it again, r to the power of minus 6. So we have not worked for its own fractional index, so you just still write it down, 1 over 2. We're going to use another law there. Now I can quote index of index or power of power. When you have a value carrying power all to another power, the powers are going to multiply themselves. So I'm going to have it as 8r to the power of, now 2 can divide 6 to be 3. That means I'm going to have it as what? Minus 3, because minus 3 times 1 is still minus 3. Remember there is still another value here, another bracket remaining here. I'll also still put that bracket, 1 over 3. Okay, fractional index again, which also means what? The roots. So that means the denominator of our fraction here is what? Is 3. So that means the cube root of 8. And cube root of 8 is going to be 2. Cube root simply means what same value do you multiply 3 times to get the result. So it is 2. If you multiply 2 3 times, 2 times 2 times 2 is going to give you 8. Okay. Now for r here, since r is not also a number, you also do the same step. Just write it down, r power minus 3 all power 1 over 3. So that you can also quote the index of index or power of power. You have it as 2r to the power. 3 can cancel itself 1, 3 cancel negative 3, negative 1. So we're having it as minus 1 times 1 is 2, minus 1. So this is your result.